Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com and today I'll be cooking frozen naan bread in the air fryer. So we just need frozen naan, no need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. So see, frozen solid, an air fryer will take care of it. So now let's take out the air fryer basket and take out a frozen naan bread and put it in the air fryer. Now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at that perfectly cooked naan. It's so nicely browned. So perfectly cooked in the air fryer straight from frozen. It's warm and pliable, looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. See? So nice. Delicious. This is awesome. Air fryer makes it so easy to cook frozen naan. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!